Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the new L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation in a powder form. So, let's try it out. First, I'm going to prime my face using this NYX Marshmallow Primer. And I just got the little mini version. So get a little bit out and put this all over my face. I'm sort of pressing it into my skin so it can get into all my pores and make a good canvas for my makeup. Alright, now for the big reveal, testing this out. So I got the shade Vanilla. So let's see. And I recently just got this in my new Ulta haul. So let's see. So it comes with like a little sponge. So it's a little light right now, but I don't know. It's like too powdery for me. So let's just finish it off and see how well it looks put together. So maybe if I got a little darker shade, it wouldn't look as bad because I look like a ghost. But I'm not liking so far on how it's turning out. And to be truthfully honest, I am more of a liquid foundation person. But everybody's been raving about this. So I want to test it out for myself. So of course it is a little light, but we will make it work. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this ColourPop Truly Madly and Deeply palette. And I'm going to start off with this Golden Gate Bridge one. And this is just a light brown color. So I'm just putting this all over the base of my eyelids. Let's get more. Alright, now I'm just going to grab a fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with this shimmery gold color. It's like a rose gold color. And just add a little bit of glitter onto my look. Go. And this definitely has a lot of fallout. Alright. And then I'm just going to get another little random brush and just blend these products together. I'm not going full-blown makeup here just because I want to test out the L'Oreal foundation. So now I'm just going to grab my big fluffy brush and go back in and dust the excess eyeshadow that has fallen out. And all that glitter. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to set my under eye using this Wet n Wild concealer. And I got the shade Fair. I'm just putting a little bit. And this is light, but I want it to be light just so my under eye can pop a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit right there. Now I'm grabbing my beauty blender and just blending this in. Now I'm going to set that under eye using this Wet n Wild translucent setting powder. And just get my container and just dabbing my beauty blender in there. And I'm just going to go a little heavy on the baking to let that set for a little bit, just so that area will pop. Then I'm going to dust it off later on. So now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I'm going to be using this LA eyebrow pencil in the shade Warm Brown. So I'm just getting the little spoolie in and just fix my eyebrows. And then just fill them in. Now I'm going to move on to bronzer, and I'm going to be using this Hoola Benefit bronzer, and just grabbing a Real Techniques brush and just going on my cheeks and forehead. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to go back in and dust off the excess setting powder that's on there using the same fluffy brush, and just blending the rest of my bronzer in as well, so I don't have any harsh dark lines. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to be moving on to blush. I'm going to be using this mini NARS Orgasm X blush. This is a really shimmery medium pink color, and I'm just going to tap it a little bit on my cheeks. And then, since this is really intense, I'm going to go back in and just grab the same brush and blend this in so it can not be as harsh. Alright. Now I'm going to finish my look with this MAC Angel lipstick. Just put this on. Alright, so now that that is done, overall, I mean, it looks okay, but I'm not 100% satisfied with it. I mean, of course, it is a little light, but I don't know, the powder did not do me well, so I'm going to go and test out the liquid foundation version just because I like I stated, liquid foundation, so hopefully that would be better. So this powder foundation is not for me, so I'm going to have to pass on it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.